Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pi Day is an annual celebration of the mathematical constant pi. Pi Day is observed on March 14th, 3/14 in the month per day format, since 3, 1, and 4 are the first three significant digits of pi. In 2009, the United States House of Representatives supported the designation of Pi Day.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pi, the symbol used by mathematicians to represent the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, as the lowercase Greek letter pi, sometimes spelled out as pi, and derived from the first letter of the Greek word parametros, meaning circumference. In English, pi is pronounced as pi, pa, py.
Make your mark, take our lead.
March 14th is Pi Day. Pi Day celebrates the mathematical constant pi, 3.14. It is celebrated in countries that follow the month per day, MDD, date format, because the digits in the date, March 14th or 3/14, are the first three digits of pi, 3.14. Pi Day was founded by physicist Larry Shaw in 1988.
Take our lead.
William Jones. Introduced by William Jones in 1706, use of the symbol was popularized by Leonhard Euler, who adopted it in 1737. An 18th-century French mathematician named Georges Buffon devised a way to calculate pi based on probability.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.